Complete Aranet device management tasks with Aranet Cloud. To manage your Aranet devices, simply access the management feature in Aranet Cloud settings. This allows all users of Aranet base stations connected to Aranet Cloud to easily perform tasks such as pair and manage sensors, monitor the status of the licenses and upload purchased licenses to the base station, and remotely upgrade the firmware of all base stations in different locations without traveling to the physical location or connecting to the local user interface. For example, to add a new sensor, simply select the measurement interval and click Pair Sensor. The only requirement for sensor installation in a specific location is to put the battery in the sensor. Once the sensor is paired, you can give it a name and configure it through our Cloud User platform from anywhere. With Aranet Cloud, advanced configuration tasks can be performed remotely via the Cloud User interface, eliminating the need to do them on the field.